So hello everyone. We're here again to talk about composition of air pollution, and the difference between elements and compounds. And I have here Linda Basma from grade 5A to help me. Hi Linda.
Hi.
Okay, let's start, Linda. What do living things need air for?
Respiration.
Respiration. What do you know about breathing process or respiration?
We take in wait 1 second, miss.
During respiration, living things take
Okay, sorry, I'm back. Living things take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide.
carbon dioxide. Perfect. So during respiration, when living things inhale, they take in oxygen from the air, and they exhale, they breathe out the carbon dioxide. And this is a short video about respiration. You can go to lecture 5 to watch it. The rest. So Linda, what's the source of the oxygen in the air? Who put oxygen in the air?
The plants.
The plants. How do they do this?
During photosynthesis, they take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen.
Excellent job. Wow. So during photosynthesis process, which is the food making process, plants use carbon dioxide from the air and they release oxygen to the outside. So plants are the source of the oxygen in the air. So we know now, Linda, that we have carbon dioxide and oxygen in the air. Who keeps their amount in balance in the air? What keeps this amount in balance? Which cycle?
What?
Which cycle? What helps keeping the amount of oxygen and carbon dioxide in balance?
The carbon cycle.
The carbon cycle. Excellent. When we talked about this process, Hassan Zainuddin made a perfect video. You can also go to lecture 5 to watch it, saying that carbon dioxide is conserved. It stays in balance in nature. It's taken by the plants to cook their food, and it is released by people while breathing. And also we can get carbon by decomposition of dead organisms. So carbon cycle is so important in nature. Okay, so we know now that in the air we have oxygen, carbon dioxide, and lots of things. But what is the air made of, Yalinda?
It's made of oxygen,
Okay.
nitrogen and oxygen and carbon and dioxide and other gases.
And other gases, perfect. So what is air made of? This is also a video that you can go to the lesson video to check it. The air is made of lots of gases, mainly nitrogen, like Linda said. Do you know the number, the percentage of nitrogen in the area, Linda?
It's wait, I don't remember it.
Okay, I'll help. Is it 21, 20, or 78?
Oh, 78%.
78% nitrogen. What's the percentage of oxygen in the air?
21%?
What? 21%. Yes, that's right. Hi. So air is a mixture of gases. It has small particles in it. It has water vapor in it. Nitrogen and oxygen are the more abundant gases in the air. Since air is made of 78% of nitrogen, 20 or 21% oxygen, and we still have 1 to 2% gases like carbon dioxide, argon. Okay. Air has in it water vapor. When the percentage of water vapor changes, the percentages of the other gases may also change. Okay?
Okay.
I love this video.
The biggest component of air is nitrogen. It comprises around 78% of the air. Out of the remaining 22%, 21% of air is composed of oxygen. So, nitrogen and oxygen gases form about 99% of air. The remaining 1% of air consists of several gases, including carbon dioxide, argon, helium, neon, hydrogen, ozone, and water vapor. So kids, now you know what air is composed of.
Okay, so again, air is composed of 28% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and we have 1% for the other gases like ozone, like hydrogen, like carbon dioxide, water vapor.
Hi, Miss Fatima.
Hi, dear. Okay,
Miss,
can you please help me solve this? What should I write here on this line?
Nitrogen.
78% what?
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen. Perfect.
yes.
Bravo, ya Linda. 21%
Oxygen.
oxygen. Excellent. And 1% for the other gases.
Miss, 21% oxygen.
That's right. Bravo, ya Ali. And we have 1% left for the other gases like what?
Argon.
Carbon dioxide and argon.
Carbon dioxide, argon, water vapor. What is air pollution? Ali, what are you here? You can help too. Ali, stay here. What do we mean by air pollution? Linda, when do we say that the air is
Air pollution.
Yes, Linda.
Oh, air pollution is when the air gets dirty and not very healthy to breathe.
Excellent answer. Perfect. So when the air has harmful gases in it, like carbon monoxide, like carbon dioxide, lots of carbon dioxide, we say that the air is dirty and it's not healthy for people. This is air pollution.
Miss Fatima.
Yes, dear.
Miss, the quiz, this quiz is like the last quiz we do.
I know. Okay. What are some causes of air pollution? What causes air pollution?
Burning trash, fires.
Wildfires, cutting trees, burning trash, smoke from factories and vehicles from burning fuels, and also acid rain. Acid rain is a kind of air pollution. It happens when harmful gases released by factories rise in the sky, and then they meet the points or the molecules of water vapor. Then when it rains, when there is rain, snow, sleet, hail, the rain will be full or will take all of these harmful gases to Earth. This is what we call acid rain. It's harmful for all kinds of life on Earth. Okay, what are ways that you can do to reduce air pollution? How can you help?
Hi, Miss.
Hi,
We
dear.
can.
How are you?
Trees.
We can stop cutting trees. Perfect. Yalla ya Kareem, I'm fine. What about you? How can
How to reduce air pollution? Use air filters.
use air filters for cars? Yes, Linda was saying stop cutting
Miss,
trees.
I just wanted to ask you one question.
Yes.
Miss Anna, yesterday I wasn't able to do the lecture because, شغلي in my body. So, can you please تشرحي لي the lesson?
Yes, look. we're talking about again about the two last lessons: composition of air pollution, and elements of and compounds. So I think you know everything about them. I didn't explain any new lesson.
Okay.
It's a revision.
Okay.
Yes. What I want you to do is to try to solve the worksheet, and if you still have any questions, I'm always here. Okay.
Okay, sure. Yes.
Okay. So we have different ways to reduce air pollution. Like we can use filters for factories and cars. We can use bikes.
بابا بحط في انترنت انا عندي درس
انا تريد تعمل
اوكي
share
وطي الصوت
a car, plant new trees, and stop cutting plants.
It's like Mr. Beast's project. He planted 20 million trees.
Okay, so he was trying to reduce air pollution. Excellent step. Okay, so we said that in the air we have oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and other substances.
Different kinds of elements in the air.
Okay, so in the air we have elements and we have compounds. Can you name elements found in the air? Elements.
Element.
Oxygen, excellent. Linda, can you name a compound found in the air?
Wait. I don't know.
Miss, say one?
Yes,
Carbon dioxide. It's a compound.
it's a compound.
It's carbon and oxygen.
That's right. That's right. So oxygen is one element found in the air. It's considered as an element since it's made of one substance, which is oxygen. We write O2. It's made of two atoms of oxygen, but it's still the same kind of substance. While carbon dioxide is a compound since it's made of carbon and of oxygen. Okay, Linda?
Okay.
Elements are pure substances. They cannot be broken into any simpler substances. Hg, mercury. How do we write gold?
Gold.
Yes.
NaC. NaC.
What?
AU.
Au, bravo ya Ali. Au for gold. Perfect. Carbon now. Carbon.
Carbon.
CO2.
Bravo. Carbon. C. Bronze. How do we write bronze?
What?
CuSN. Since bronze is not an element, it's made of two elements, copper and tin. Copper Cu and tin Sn. I repeat, okay? Bronze.
Yes.
Do you see the coin in front of you on the slide on the screen?
Yes.
So this coin is made of bronze. Is bronze an element or a compound?
A compound.
A compound, since it's made of two elements. These elements are copper and tin, Cu and Sn. So the formula or the symbol of bronze is CuSn. Okay?
Okay.
Aluminum, Al, let's see. Oxygen now. Oxygen.
O2.
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen.
Yes.
H.
H. Carbon.
C.
C. Nitrogen.
N.
And chlorine.
Chloride.
Right.
Cl.
Miss, can I tell you what sodium chloride? Salt, table salt.
Table salt, yes, and ACl.
Yes, أي ساعة بيخلص الزوم.
Are you talking to me in Arabic?
Miss, which time is the Zoom will finish?
3:40.
Oh,
In 10 minutes. In 15 minutes.
yes.
Okay.
And
But let's talk about water molecule. H2, is it a compound or an element?
Compound.
Compound. And this molecule is made of which two elements, Yalinda?
Hydrogen and oxygen.
Perfect. What about the ozone, ya Ali? Is it a compound or an element?
It's
Ozone.
can I say? Miss, can I say?
Kareem, can
Yeah,
you?
miss. Yes, miss. Ozone is an element because you see, ozone, all of it is one same element. It's not
made of-
compound.
it's
No, Miss, it's a compound.
by Yalinda.
Compound of what? Oxygen and what? How much? A compound of what? Ozone is an element because all of the elements inside of it are the same. So they're all one.
Okay, so Linda, we do not care for the number of atoms.
Oh, okay.
Ozone is made of 3 atoms. That's right. One molecule of ozone is made of 3 atoms. Okay?
Yeah, there could be a million carbon atoms, but at the end they're all one element.
That's right. We do not care for the number. We care for the type. It's made one type of element or 2 types of elements. Take a look on the ozone molecule. What is it made of?
The ozone molecule, oxygen.
Right? So it's 3 atoms of oxygen, same substance. So it's an element. Okay? The ozone is considered as element since it's made from one type of atom.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's see. Ali Awada, are you here? I will try to unmute him. Ali Taiki, I'm unmuting you. Ali Taiki, take a look on the first substance. Is it an element or a compound?
What, math?
I'm talking about this, ya Ali Taiki. This. Is it an element
Yes.
or a compound?
1 minute, math.
How many atoms does it have? Ali, count them. 1,
Yes.
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
and
5.
5.
No,
5
4.
atoms. Are they
1, 2,
all
3,
the
4,
same?
5. Yes.
Are they all the same?
No. Yes. Only the C. No.
Okay, so we have 4 hydrogen atoms and 1 carbon atom, صح? So is it an
Yes.
element or a compound?
Compound.
Bravo, it's a compound. Excellent. يلا يا كريم.
Can I answer?
I'm gonna ask Linda about this. O3, yeah, Linda, the ozone molecule. Is it an element or a compound?
An element.
Element. It's made of the same thing. Like a third one.
AU, it's a compound because they're not the same element.
Wait. We're talking about the third one. We're talking about this one, Kenny.
Yeah, the third one, AU, gold.
No, this is the third one.
Which one's the third one? Oh, okay. Because miss, they don't have like a box between them. I thought they're one. I was like, what? This one is a compound because it's made more than one element.
So we have red balls, silver ones, gray ones.
Yeah, it's a compound.
It's a compound, bravo.
Yeah, that's what I said, miss. You heard me wrong.
Linda, AU. What's AU? It's the symbol of what?
Gold.
Gold. Is it an element or a compound?
Element.
Element. Perfect. Okay. The first letter is a capital letter. The second one is small. So this is a symbol for one element. Okay. What about the last one, yes, Katie? Last one.
The last one is element.
Bravo. Same.
Yes.
Same kind of atom. So it's an element.
Yeah. What's the question?
A compound is formed of a combination of two or more elements, like a molecule of water is made of two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. This is the table salt. What is the formula or the
Sodium chloride.
sodium chloride? Perfect. Sodium Na, chlorine Cl. When we put them together, we will get table salt, which is N.
Miss, I wanted to ask you the question. Which one's the sodium, the green or the purple?
Yeah.
The purple.
And the chloride is green.
Purple. Purple. The sodium.
Yeah. NaCl is the symbol for the table salt. Carbon dioxide, CO2.
So
Okay, here we're talking about electrolysis of water, and I think this is the last idea for today. Electrolysis of water. How can you define electrolysis of water? What is it?
Miss, the tube with the most air is hydrogen.
What?
Miss, because there are two tubes, one which has the oxygen, which is positive, and the hydrogen, which has the negative.
Okay, so what do we use this process for? How does it help us?
What do we do? It tells us where there's hydrogen and where there's oxygen.
It helps us separate oxygen and hydrogen. Didn't we say that a molecule of water is composed of hydrogen and oxygen?
Yes. So
this-
they're separating them?
Yes, we are separating them. Okay, this is the process of splitting water. Electrolysis splits water into its components, hydrogen and oxygen. Is there more hydrogen or more oxygen in water?
More hydrogen, sorry.
More hydrogen, perfect, bravo ya Linda. Since one molecule of water contains two atoms of hydrogen but one atom of oxygen, what do we call the two electrodes?
Anode and cathode.
Anode and cathode. Which one is the negative one?
Cathode.
Excellent. And which
Yes.
is the positive one?
Anode.
Okay. The cathode is the negative electrode. At the cathode, which gas is formed?
Cathode, oxygen.
Is for the oxygen.
No.
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen. Hydrogen is composed or produced at the cathode, while oxygen is produced at the anode. Okay? Let's take a look on this diagram. Linda, in which electrode, which electrode is the cathode and which one is the anode, and how did you know?
The one on the right, I think. My right, it's the cathode because it has more bubbles and the hydrogen is at the negative side. And
Can
so
you
is the
write
cathode.
on the screen? Can you cross the one that you're talking about?
Oh, okay.
Where is the cathode?
This one.
This one is the cathode. At the cathode, we have hydrogen produced.
Yes. So there's more bubbles.
More bubbles. Let's see. Let's see, Alinda. Look at the empty space, at the white space, okay? And look at the white.
Miss, the one with more space is oxygen. The one with less space is hydrogen.
How do we write oxygen, mister? How do we write water, mister?
Oxygen O2, water H2O, hydrogen H.
Hydrogen H.
H2, something like that.
One molecule of water is H2O. It has two H in it and one O, right? We have more hydrogen in water than oxygen. So look, this is more. The hydrogen is this side.
Oh.
Yes, because miss, if you see the symbol H2O, so H times 2 and 1 O.
And this side is the. So Linda, again, I'll erase everything. I need you to recheck the answer. Where is the cathode? Trust the cathode. Good job. This is the cathode. This is the negative electrode. We have the hydrogen produced at this side. Karim, what I want you to do is to write minus and plus to the extremities of the battery. Okay, and where is the positive
Okay,
and where is the negative one?
this one is minus. This one is plus.
Excellent. So let me fix it for you.
It's not letting me write. I don't know why it's glitching.
So this is minus.
Yeah, I accidentally made a line and didn't let me erase it.
This is plus. Okay. This one is connected to the cathode, to the negative electrode, and this one is connected to the positive electrode. Okay.
Because Miss O, because the tube with less air is oxygen.
That's right. The volume of the hydrogen produced is double. We have more hydrogen in water than oxygen. So this is hydrogen, this is oxygen. How do we test? How do we know that this gas is oxygen? Which experiment can we try?
This one, because you could know the tube with more, the tube with less air is oxygen.
So we can do an experiment like bringing a flame, okay, or a candle, okay, and you can turn it off and then put it close to your tube. If it has oxygen in it, it will relight.
Miss, I have this amazing project. So we get two pencils, we sharpen them from both ends, and
we put
get
them
two
in the
tubes
water.
of
We connect alligator cables to the metal part of the
Exactly.
eraser.
We put the two pencils,
We
and the
connect them
tip
to
of the pencil with the most
the
bubbles
battery, and then
going up
the one that with the most
is
bubbles is
hydrogen.
and the one with the less bubbles is oxygen.
We did this in science.
So you did this.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, we did.
Okay.
Mr. Hussein al-Laban.
Yes, you told me that. Excellent. And how do we test for hydrogen? We can also bring extinguished flame and put it near to the hydrogen tube. It will make a pop sound before giving a blue light, a weak blue light.
Yeah, we also did that one. We put our finger on the thing and got a match, and it popped.
Okay, so Karim, what is the cathode now? Which one is the cathode?
The cathode, if cathode is with oxygen, oxygen is the one with more. So cathode this time is minus, electrode B.
Excellent. Cathode is electrode B. Anode is, look, positive. This is the anode. Negative. This is the cathode. Okay. Which gas
Yes,
is the hydrogen and which one is the oxygen?
The oxygen is with the anode, and the hydrogen is with the cathode.
At the positive anode, oxygen, excellent. And this one, this side is the hydrogen. So we finished. Do you still have any questions about this lesson?
Nope, all correct.
Okay, so what I want you to do is to try to fix the worksheet. I'm trying to post the solution right now, and tomorrow you have a quiz. If you have anything to ask about, I'm always available, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Miss, what time is the quiz?
What time? I think it's 3.
Miss?
Okay, thank you.
Miss Fatima?
Thank you so much, Linda.
Okay, thank you, Miss. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Miss Fatima?
Yes, Yan.
Miss, so is this quiz will be like the last quiz we do it?
Yes, it will be about composition of air, air pollution, elements and compounds. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. يلا باي باي.
Bye.